Hello friends, welcome to KSP Academy. Last class we already discussed the graphical approach, how to draw the graphical approach, how to find x corresponding y, how to make a graph, how the lines are intersecting, how to find the solutions. That is very clear. Now start to this second lecture in the linear equations two variables. Today by seeing the algebraic equations of two equations, two variables, we can say that the equation will consisting of solution or not, and how the graph will come, approximate the shape of the graphs, how lines will going to be placed, the solution going to be existence or not. By using the logics, we can say that. For that reason, I will make a one table. That table may help you in examinations. The answers analysis, the approximate answer how the graphs will going to come, that we can see very clear. So we know that, let us take an examples. As we know the linear equations, let us first equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is linear equation since two variables x and y, the equation number 1. Let us take other equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the two equations. So two equations which are two variables. So we can ready to solve it. So when you are solving, some conditions will be take, that condition satisfied, we can go and sell that. So table will be possessing letters. I am drawing the table for you. So serial number will give. So pair of linear equations. In this I will give examples. Example of linear equations. Then after it is comparing ratios. Comparing ratios. After the comparing the ratios, graphical approach. Graphical approach. So I will draw the diagrams. Nothing but graphs. I will draw how the graph will going to be approaching. Graphical approach also I can write. Then algebraic expression. Algebraic interpretation. What analysis is going back to be the regular confirmation. So this is the way of we can write it down. So first case, in this we will go for one by one to understand very clearly. Case 1, case 2, case 3 like this. Here we are having a 3 cases. With these 3 cases you can go and understand it very clearly. From this you can see that very clearly. So let us will go for start one by one to understand very clearly. So first thing is serial number 1. What is the comparing ratios? First you compare the ratios. So when you are comparing your two equations, let us you can check a1 by a2. Let us you can check a1 by a2. If you are a1 by a2 and b1 by b2, if both are not equal, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. The first condition, first you check a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. How the graph will come is intersecting lines. So graphical approach is intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. How this means? The line will go like this, other line will go to like this. This will be intersecting points. So want to example, I can write the example also. 2x plus 4y minus 10 is equal to 0. Let us 3x plus 5y plus 11 is equal to 0. What is this? 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. 2 by 3 not equal to 4 by 5. We can see 2 by 3 not equal to 4 by 5. Therefore, this is the equation will come intersecting lines like that. Intersecting lines like this. So, what is the algebraic interpolation? The algebraic interpolation means the given equation having a solution or not. Intersecting lines means we have a solution that is nothing but unique solution. The intersecting line will possess unique solution. It means it having one solution or a unique solution. So when moment one more thing is also The solution confirmation consistent or inconsistent. One more line also I can write for your convenience. Consistent or inconsistent. Consistent and inconsistent. Consistent or inconsistent means the equation will having a solution that is consistent. So it is having a unique solution. Nothing but solution will going to be existent. Therefore it is consistent. Consistent. This is the first case. First case A1 by A2 check. It is not equal to B1 by A2. Please stop it. Is no need to go for C1 by C2. Irrespective of C1 C2. This is not equal. Leave it out. Intersecting lines. The lines will come like this. Unique solution. Consistent. Next, second case. The comparing ratios means how they are going to become is A1 by A2. We are comparing with B1 by B2. If A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, please go for C1 by C2 also. When you are doing C1 by C2 also. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and is equal to C1 by C2. If all three are same, all three ratios will be same, those lines is called as, how these lines we write, called as coincidence lines. Coincident lines. Coincident lines. So coincident line means one line is there. So corresponding in that only other line will go to happen here. This is line 1 and line 2. This is line 2. This is line 1. Here it is line 1 and line 2. So one line will be intersecting by other line. That's a coincident line. So if you want the example, I can write example also. 2x plus 4y minus 10 is equal to 0. So 4x plus 8y minus 20 is equal to 0. If you are comparing here, 2 by 4, 4 by 8, minus 10 by minus 20. All are equal. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So all are equal. That's what this such a kind of things coincident lines will come. When coincident line will come, what is the algebraic expression, interpolation? How this is going to be nature? It is having infinite number of solution. What is the nature of solution here? We can write infinite number of solution. Infinite number of solutions. N number of solutions. It is not infinite number of solutions. Because how many number of times you go to touch one line by line? Infinite times is going to touch. That's what infinite number of solutions. Then how many times are intersecting? Single times are intersecting. That's what only single solution. One solution. Or unique solution, you can say one solution. One solution or infinite solution. Here the solution is having infinite, it means solution having. So this is also consistent. Consistent. Solution existence, you can say consistent. So third approach also will cover. Next, go for third case. Third case is very simple. A1 by A2 should equal to B1 by B2. So both are equal means what I told you, go for C1 by C2 also. When moment you go for C1 by C2, in this C1 by C2 is not equal, like this will come. It means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but it is not equal to C1 by C2. That time, how the lines will going to be happening is that these lines is called as parallel lines. These thought set is called as parallel lines. How the lines will going to happen is that the line 1 will like this, line 2 also will go like this. Both should not be touched. Those who want example, those also I can write. Same thing, 2x plus 4y minus 10 is equal to 0. Same 2x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. It is how to go to happen is that 2 by 2, those who are having the doubt I can write 2 by 2, 4 by 4. But it is not equal to minus 10 by 5. So minus 10 by 5 means what? It is minus 2, 1, 1. So 1 is equal to 1, but it is not equal to minus 2. This is the case, the parallel line will come. Example I will. So when moment the parallel line will come, is there any intersecting lines? It is no intersecting line. The moment there is no intersecting line, we cannot find any solution. So it's right, no solution. No solution. This will having unique one solution, infinite number of solutions, no solution, because lines should not be touched. Whenever there is no solution, such a case you can write it out inconsistent. inconsistent. So which are these three concept very important when you're doing the problems? Two equations and two variables. If you know this concept in a mindset, we can play questions in IITs any case. Just to see the equations, check the conditions, how the lines will come in graphs, intersect the lines, or cross one by one line will coincide, or lines will be parallel line. We can, without doing a problem, we get analysis. We can approximate, and also you can say that solution will go to existence or not. Is it unique solution or infinite solution? No solution. Examiner will ask. Sometimes it's consistent or inconsistent. Solution will existence, unique solution or infinite number of solutions. Both are solutions only. So it is consistent. If it is solution is not finding, we can say that inconsistent. This is an important case. So these are the things will come when you are doing the problems. In next class, with this knowledge, we can do your approaches. I think when your examination they will give that equations they will give. Please check these conditions. Please how the nature of the graphical approach, how nature of the solution, how nature of the consistent. We have a number of problems and exercises. Concept is please compare the quotient corresponding this box. We can make it. We can give the answers without solving the equations. We can give approximate analysis. Okay, no? I think very clear. If you like my channel, please subscribe to it. Links will come to my ID. We can enjoy this. Okay, continue for watching the videos.